Hello everyone, today we are going to review this book of Vinod Publications. Its name is Pedagogy of Mathematics. It's a DLED DTT first year book. It's a bestseller book of Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted publishing firm of India. The cover of the book is very nice. This book is in Punjabi medium. This book is strictly according to the new syllabus prescribed by State Council of Educational Research and Training SCERT Punjab. So let's quickly review this book. Units are mentioned in new syllabus like Unit 1 pedagogical content knowledge, then these are the topics. Unit 2 algebra thinking, these are the topics. Unit 3 practical arithmetic and handling data, these are the topics. Unit 4 geometrical ways of looking at space and shapes, these are the topics. Unit 5 communicating mathematics, these are the topics. Like Unit 6 mathematical reasoning, these are the topics. Unit 7 assessment, these are the topics. Now 7 units are given. You have to check out contents now and verify the content with the syllabus. Like Unit 1 numbers, number concept, counting, place value. It's still into smaller and bigger units, basic idea and not their application. You can check out and verify it with syllabus. Number concept, counting, place value. Unit 1 till basic idea and not their application, conversion into smaller and bigger units. So Unit 1 is completely there, it's completely there. So you have to check out Unit 2 and verify it with syllabus. Algebra thinking, algebraic expression, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division till forming and solving simple linear equation. You have to check out Unit 2 and verify it with now syllabus. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, algebraic identities till forming and solving simple linear equation. So Unit 2 is also very clear. Now we have to check out Unit 3 of contents like collection, classification and interpretation of data till simple interest, compound interest. Let's check this out. Collection, classification and interpretation of data till interest, simple and compound. So Unit 3 is absolutely clear too. You have to check out Unit 4 now. Geometrical ways of looking at space and shapes, geometric shape, symmetry till in circle and circle of a triangle using geometric equipment. So check with using Unit 4. Space geometric shape, till in circle and circumcircle of a triangle using geometric equipment. So Unit 4 is also very clear. Page numbers are mentioned in front of contents and given in both English and Punjabi language to make it comfortable both English and Punjabi kind of readers to easily understand this book. Now Unit 5 communicating mathematics, curriculum, classroom practices, and it's still coping with failure. Let's check this out. Under curriculum and classroom practices, role of textbooks till mathematics phobia and coping with failure. So Unit 5 is also very clear. Now check out Unit 6 mathematical reasoning, meaning, need and importance of mathematical reasoning, recognition and inductive reasoning process till creative thinking in mathematics. Now check out syllabus of Unit 6 meaning, need and importance of mathematical reasoning till creative thinking in mathematics. Now we have to check out Unit 7 assessment, purpose of assessment, learning assessment, assessment of performance. So verify the syllabus. Unit 7 purpose assessment, learning assessment, assessment of performance. So contents are given now. You can check them out with page numbers are also given. Also English, it's given contents are given in both English and Punjabi language for making comfortable both kind of readers. You have to check out now page number, whether page number are accurate or not. For example, if I go to page 262, whether I'll find proof or not. So page 262 proof is there. So page number are also very accurate. Contents also cover everything of syllabus. Also the topics are highlighted and the points are highlighted in both English and Punjabi language so that both kind of readers can easily understand it. The pictorial representation diagrams are also given whenever necessary. You can check this out. Topics are given in both English and Punjabi language. In the back side of the book, it first year and second year book are also given of DLED Vinod Publications, SCERT Punjab. You can check them out. Price of the book is just 229.50 rupees only. It's available on Flipkart, on Amazon. You can buy it, or you can call them directly at 9218-219-218 at Vinod Publications, and book will be delivered to you within just 3-4 days only. You can also buy this book from any available bookstore nearby your location at 229.50 rupees only. You can also visit their website at www.vinodpublications.com and check out other books. You can go to Facebook, Twitter and YouTube of Vinod Publications and check out other books. You can also email them at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com. And you can if you have any query and if you have any complaint regarding any book, you can go to the helpline email ID at help@vinodpublications.com. So 229.50 is the only price of the book. Buy it online on Flipkart, Amazon, or call them directly at 9218-219-218, or buy it from any bookstore nearby location. It's your choice. 229.50. Pedagogy of Mathematics, DLED first year bestseller book, SCERT Punjab. I highly recommend this book. You should definitely buy it. It will definitely help you in exam, because it's a Vinod Publications book, which is the most trusted publishing firm of India. So you should definitely buy this book. Thank you so much.